Hello everyone. So today I'm going to unbox and review Bentley for Men and Tens. Recently I saw a video on YouTube that someone was reviewing this perfume. Then when I checked online some more videos, I found that Jeremy Fragrances was the first one who reviewed this perfume almost like 3-4 years back, and he recommended this perfume. He liked it, so I thought I'm also gonna give it a shot and buy it. So let's open it and see how does it smell and how does the packaging is. So I will open the box first and let's see. Okay, the finishing of the box is nice. It has this shiny golden color, and the finishing, I think it's nice, it's amazing. Let's open the box. Okay, so the bottle is also, it's a heavyweight, it has a good grip, it's a handy bottle. So let's see, this is the bottle. I think it's good. Okay, the juice inside, it looks like it's a strong juice. Mostly the perfumes who has this color of a juice inside, so those are, I think, usually considered as stronger perfumes. So as the name says, this is intense, so I'm expecting this is an intense perfume. I have, before opening and buying this, I went and checked online. So this one, and the middle notes, it has a note of aram. So people are saying this is more like a boozy kind of perfume, and it has some strong bases in the middle, and in the bottom notes the woody notes. So you can expect it as a stronger woody boozy perfume. I will spray it. Wow, this lid made a sound when I was opening it. So it has a strong cap, which is a good thing. Mostly if you see some perfume which has a loose cap, so that doesn't give you a good feeling. So I always like those magnetic or stronger caps on a perfume. So let's give it a try, and I will share my impression and my experience with you guys. Yeah, I also smell some woody notes. So it has a very strong woody scent that I have felt. So I agree with what other people are saying. But now, like after these few seconds, I can also feel that alcoholic kind of a smell from the inside. So as the notes were representing mostly woody notes, and in the middle that rum note, so I can agree with that it's a strong woody based alcoholic kind of aroma. So yeah, it's a nice one. I will give it a full shot for a full time like wearing, and then I will see how much the projection and the lasting is. But I just like the presentation and the initial impression that I have got from it. Thank you so much.